Just had another one, so we got
just
4
lighted it,
boys.
we don't want to disturb her, but we got another one coming out.
And there's another baby coming.
Shit.
I think
Counting them all. The other one's over there.
Jeanette's more stressed out than the dog is. Yeah, this one over here needs to go to the front. There we go.
Babies.
Or mommy.
She might not accept that blanket. We'll see. She might just push it away. Well, we can do it gradually, you know?
Because that one's just going to get dirty when the other one gets.
Yeah, but... Okay.
She doesn't want it.
No. There's a perfume on there.
Is it?
A little bit.
Oh, I just washed it.
No, I know. That's okay.
Oh. Yeah, I think she just wants it
Oh,
like
yeah,
this, and then
I
after.
can't wait to change all that. It's stressing me right out.
Oh, funny.
It's not, can't be